All right, I'm sure you can tell it's a little bit wet. It called for rain today. I'm not going to be able to fish tomorrow, so I wanted to come today. So I decided to just risk it, and it actually did rain, but not hard. I'm going to get down to the creek because it looks pretty decent. Alrighty, so I haven't been on this section of the creek in quite a while, mainly because there was construction for the longest time, so I hadn't been over here. I think the construction is finished. The water is pretty cold, but we're gonna head upstream and see if we can catch anything today. So I'm gonna rig up and go for it. We're gonna head up to an area where I've caught plenty of bass before, and hopefully there's still fish here after this construction, so we're about to find out. Well, it's definitely thundering. I don't know if it's very smart for me to be out here, but here I am. Got some bluegill following. Haven't seen any bass yet. Another bluegill. Lots of bluegill. Well, there are fish in here. So a while back, this is before I had a YouTube channel for fishing, I fished here at this little tunnel entrance, and I had caught some decent bass, and so we'll see, but so far it's not looking good. Oh, something hit. There's a lot of bluegill in here. But there used to be a deep spot here, and now it looks like it's gone, so I don't know, maybe the bass moved on. Put it right in that tunnel. Nothing. Damn, the rain's coming down. Put it right over there. Man, I would be very surprised if there weren't. Oh shit, it is dumping. All right, time to get under a tree. Oh, oh shit. Picked a great day to go fishing. I'm just gonna keep trying. Try over there, other side of the creek. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's a bluegill. It's a big one. Wow, that was freaking lightning. As I stand in a creek. Is this the smartest idea? Probably not. Let me get out of the water. Here he is. There he goes. Oh my God. What am I doing? You might still hear the thunder left over from that lightning. I'm just kind of hanging out right now. It's not raining as hard as it was, but it keeps lightning, and I'm kind of just hanging out here on this little rocky shore, kind of trying to wait out the rain, or at least the lightning. Like, the rain isn't bothering me that much, but the lightning, that could bother me real bad. So I'll wait it out a little bit longer. Hopefully I don't have to cut today short. Okay, the rain has calmed down, and it's I'm just trying to get to the other side of the creek here. Wow, it got deep. It wasn't this deep before. Here we are. Here's a little shelf. Trying to get to the other side. I've seen some very nice fish in this part of the creek before, but that was quite a while ago. But we'll see if there's anything anything home today. Oh wow, I think that might have been a decent bass. Oh my god, it is a decent bass. Wow. Okay. Wow. Yeah, that's a really good one. Come on. Yeah. Wow, look at that one. Okay. Let's get him over here. Get that fly out of your mouth, buddy. Let's let this fish go. Look at that. Nice size fish. She's been spawning, I guess. There she goes. Wow. Wow. So good. There's got to be more than that one bass. Dang. Whoa, there it fell in. Not what I wanted, but I was expecting it. Okay, we're past the deep part where I fell in. So a while back, there used to be another deeper spot, like right up here ahead of me. So, oh, there we go. I just got a bass. Not even trying. Oh man. Oh, he's got a friend with him. Oh, he's got two. Okay. All right. That's awesome. Look at this little guy. Not a bad little guy. We'll let him go. See if his friends want to hang out. Oh, his friend is bigger. It's coming around to my left. You'll see it here in a second, maybe. See if I can catch it. That would be so awesome. I'm just gonna back away. Okay, what? All right. Nah, he's not interested. All right, we'll head further down. We're coming up on a spot that used to have quite a few bass hanging out in it, so hopefully there's more. There we go, here's a little bass. Not bad, not bad. His friend is bigger. Just caught his other little friend. Oh my god. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Come on, buddy. Little guy. He's in. Wow, no take. I'm sure you can see down there a lot of muddy water from the rain is starting to flow down into the clear water, so I'm gonna get out of here before it just starts turning too muddy. Okay, so the water is actually much higher than it was a few moments ago, so I'm just gonna call it a day and get the heck out of here. Yeah, it's a lot higher and faster right here than just a few minutes ago. Wow, that's crazy. Whoa, yeah, it was not this deep and fast. So I'm gonna go back up to this walking trail and that'll take me back to the car. So I think that this is gonna be the end of my day. But I caught some good fish, so it wasn't a complete waste. I'll probably come back when it's not raining because there's plenty of fish in here. So until then, thank you guys for watching.